Hey there, my name is Nathan Alvarez. I'm a sophomore studying mechanical engineering from Santa Barbara, California. Today I'm going to check out the AeroDesign team. It's one of USC's student-led design teams where it can show you how to get some experience as an undergrad on campus. So I'm here with Mark Brizzolera. He's one of the members of the team. Think you can show me around, Mark?
Yeah, dude, let's do it.
Let's check out your lab.
Welcome to the lab. This is where we manufacture our plane.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, what's your name?
Justin.
Justin, nice to meet you. I'm Nathan.
Nice to meet you too.
Alright, so I just want to ask you a couple quick questions. Why did you choose AeroDesign team?
They had a big gap for software development. I found an interest in that and helped develop a software for them.
You get to apply things you learn in class to more real-world examples like building a plane.
I didn't really know anything, but they teach you everything. Second year, I was a build captain on the team. Prior to that, I had no build experience.
What materials do you guys work with?
We use a lot of foam and composites.
Different plywoods.
What's your favorite part about the competition?
And seeing what other teams come up with, how their designs are innovative and creative, and seeing how we can be outside the box.
Seeing what all the other teams show up with, just getting to know the other teams. We have pretty good camaraderie with a few other teams. Aerospace industry is kind of small, so I'm sure we'll see these kids again.
What year did you join AeroDesign team?
I joined around sophomore year.
I joined freshman year.
Freshman.
Freshman?
Alright, Mark, thanks for showing me your lab.
Yeah, dude. Thanks
This
for
is
coming.
awesome. Good luck this year.
Thanks so much.
And I hope you guys take home the gold again. Yeah, so that was AeroDesign team. USC has several other student-led design teams like that give students the opportunity to get some hands-on experience outside of the regular classroom. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks for tuning in, and fight on.